Keeping systems secure and up to date is a non-stop challenge for IT teams, especially in today's hybrid environments where devices are scattered across office networks, home setups, and the cloud. Manual patching is no longer scalable, and legacy tools often fall short when it comes to speed, visibility, or automation. Automox is a cloud-native patch management and endpoint hardening platform built to help IT and security teams automate patching, enforce configurations, and remediate vulnerabilities no matter where devices are located. It supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and works without requiring on-premise infrastructure or VPN access. In this video, we'll walk through the core features of Automox, explain how it helps IT teams stay compliant and secure, and show you why it's one of the top solutions for modern patch management. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the cross-platform patch management. Automox allows IT teams to patch operating system and third-party applications across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux devices, all from a single centralized console. Popular apps like Chrome, Zoom, Slack, and Adobe are supported out of the box. Admins can schedule patches, apply them automatically, or push them on demand. Patches can be tested in groups before deployment and rolled out in waves based on business needs. This eliminates manual patching, ensures consistent protection, and reduces exposure to known vulnerabilities across all environments. Another key feature is the policy-driven automation. With Automox worklets, teams can automate everything from software installation and service restarts to configuration enforcement and compliance tasks. You can define patching policies per group or device type, including blackout windows and reboot rules. This gives IT full control and flexibility, reducing repetitive tasks and freeing up time for strategic work while ensuring policy compliance. Another key feature is the real-time device visibility. The Automox console provides a live inventory of all connected devices, including their OS versions, patch status, software inventory, and last seen timestamps. You can filter by patch status, vulnerability risk, or device group to target specific actions and monitor overall posture at a glance. This enables quick decision making and helps identify out of date or non compliant devices before they become security risks. Another key feature is the role based access and audit logging. Automox supports role based access control, allowing different team members to have tailored access, ideal for distributed teams or MSPs. Every action is logged with full traceability for audit or compliance purposes. This improves operational security, enables delegation without compromising control, and simplifies audit readiness. Another key feature is the no VPN required cloud native infrastructure. Because Automox is cloud native, devices don't need to be connected to the corporate network. Endpoints can be patched and managed wherever they are, on-site, remote, or on the move. This is perfect for modern workforces and distributed teams, ensuring endpoint compliance without the need for legacy infrastructure. So, why is Automox a great choice? Automox addresses the core IT challenge of 2025, securing a diverse, distributed, and fast moving digital environment. Its cloud native architecture eliminates the need for patch servers, VPN tunnels, or complex firewalls, delivering simplicity, speed, and control from anywhere. What makes it stand out is its mix of automation, visibility, and flexibility. From small businesses to global enterprises, IT teams can enforce security policies, reduce patch delays, and gain full insight into their endpoint posture without the overhead of traditional tools. Automox is also constantly evolving, with ongoing updates, integrations, and a growing library of worklets, giving teams the agility to adapt quickly in a changing threat landscape. It's a lightweight, scalable, and modern tool for security conscious IT departments. So basically, patch management is no longer optional. It's essential to keeping businesses secure and compliant. Automox gives IT teams the tools to automate patching, harden endpoints, and manage systems from anywhere in the world. With its intuitive interface, cross-platform support, and powerful automation features, Automox is an ideal choice for organizations looking to modernize their endpoint management strategy in 2025. So, whether you're a lean IT team or part of a global infrastructure operation, Automox helps reduce risk, increase efficiency, and keep your environment secure, all from the cloud. So, start using Automox today and take control of your endpoint security with confidence. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.